so, Hans.
Thank you. I love you. Go whoop some ass, huh? It'll be a good one. I'll see you after.
I got a jingle.
Let's go.
I got a jingle.
Let's go.
I got a jingle. B-S-C-C-O-Y.
Let's go.
Victory is our battle cry. Family on three. 1, 2, 3, family.
Let's ride, baby.
Keep stacking them up.
He is hit, and he's going to get sacked again. 9th sack of the game.
Best D-line, baby. Best D-line in the league.
Hey, that's who they're pulling for. He's a dime linebacker. All right, so the deuce in here, you block him, we'll make it easier. I don't want you going in there. You're going to get hit.
Let's keep turning up. Let's keep turning up.
Wentz the pass, steps up, gonna get hit, and he is, he gets away.
How'd he do it? I thought you said they got him. They did. They had him. He disappeared.
Y'all boy balling.
Wilson looks downfield, throws a throwback for a wide open receiver at the 5-yard line. Make the catch, and it's a touchdown, Tampa Bay.
You ain't never gonna be that open ever again.
It seemed like a big play waiting to happen, you know?
McKissick gets the pitch. Now he's going to throw back to Russell, back at midfield. Russell's going to look. He's going to throw deep. Back in the end zone is Richardson. He reaches up. It's a touchdown. Fires downfield. What a catch by Julius Thomas. One-handed over Jamal Adams.
Here's a flea flicker. Lynch back to Derek Carr. They're throwing for a bomb, and it's caught by Amari Cooper. Touchdown!
Little game of hide and seek. Count to 10 and come find me.
That's fantastic.
I got to give this one major style points.
Open in the flat, my bad.
Shut your ass up. You know damn well you don't want to throw me the ball. Keep doing your thing, Bill.
You tired? You tired? Don't get tired on me.
I don't know about y'all. I'm fired up. Hey, come on. I'm fired up, baby.
Bro, calm down, bro. Relax yourself, bro. Everybody play naked. Butt ass naked. Everybody play butt ass naked. Here we go.
He's going deep, down the right side, and it's caught, touchdown. Collins the catch.
He gets the handoff. He dodges the tackler and works left. At the 20, he's got a stiff arm. 15 turns the corner. Todd Gurley going for the pylon, and he slips in.
I don't know which is better, the juke or the stiff arm. I think the juke.
The Raiders had the ball at the 5 and a chance to win the game.
Derek throws for the end zone, and it is caught for a touchdown by Michael Crabtree.
And they're going to review this play.
Oh, yeah, it's over. Is he in? Is he in?
Oh, yeah? No way.
After review, the ruling on the field stands. The Raiders win it!
Well played for luck, big guy. Yeah, keep firing there.
I am so proud of this group of men. I know one thing. When you got a trigger man like that, DC, we're going to win a lot of games here, boys. Yeah.
Got a sign in the front of our lobby that says heart. No question about it, man, with this group right here. No question about it.
Raiders on 3. 1, 2, 3. Raiders. Yeah, baby.